Hey guys, so I got the chance to spend some time with the Bose Sleepbuds. Here are my personal thoughts after 1 week of using them. So, in the box you get the headphones, manuals, a charging cable, and 2 different sizes of ear tips. Let's get to the star of the show. The Sleepbuds come in this really nice aluminum charging case. Simply slide up the cover, and there they are. First things first, these things are tiny. Being a person who sleeps on their side, I feared these being super uncomfortable. Yet since they're so small, they quite literally fit inside your ear. So the way the Sleepbuds work is you're supposed to put them in your ears before you lay down, select a sound in the Bose app, and then go to sleep as normal. They play a soft and subtle noise of your choice all throughout your night's sleep, and you can choose from things like rain, white noise, and so on. I find the rain sounds the most relaxing, but I'd say try them all out and see what works best for you. The first night using these was definitely a bit odd, and in a way, counterproductive. You find yourself so excited to try them out and see if they help your sleep that the idea of it actually ends up keeping you awake for longer than usual. However, with each new night, you begin to fully appreciate just how helpful these little guys are. As your excitement wears off, you begin to fall asleep, and thanks to their passive noise isolation, stay asleep. There are certain typical noises that wake me up at night. For example, someone walking in the hallway or my roommate shuffling around. These were completely blocked out by the Sleepbuds, and any louder noises that did manage to interrupt my sleep did not do it as much as they would had I not been wearing them. I also found that during the few times I was awoken, the relaxing sounds managed to send me to sleep pretty quickly. Another cool thing about the Sleepbuds is the alarm feature. Simply set an alarm in the Bose app, choose an alarm sound, and when the time comes, the Sleepbuds will wake you up. The alarm woke me up every single time, although it doesn't exactly transition from relaxing noises to the alarm. Rather, it just abruptly starts playing the alarm. This is a bit annoying, but turning down the volume can make the sudden alarm noises less jarring. Battery life can vary depending on the sound and the volume you set. Mine were about half charged after each night. And speaking of charging, if I'm honest, remembering to charge these so often is quite annoying. I'd be much happier with the battery life if they lasted, say, a week on a charge. So, overall, the Sleepbuds work very well. But before you head to Best Buy, hold that thought. There's no other way to say this, but these guys are $270 after taxes. Ouch. That's quite a bit of money for a pair of earbuds that have one sole purpose. Note that these guys do not function as regular earbuds, so you'll only be using them for sleeping. Personally, I love them. They're great at their intended purpose, but be warned, they do nothing more. Anyways guys, if you love this video, please hit like and subscribe. That's all for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.